door.
That's dirt.
This door's dirt.
That's very dirty.
Door. Oh, are we moving? Are we moving or is it just outside moving?
Seems we are moving away, and we don't want to.
I just wanted the door to open.
Open door. Open. If you don't open, I will bitch slap you.
Door. Listen, door.
Door. Open.
Miss Beale's gonna be so happy when she sees shit like this. Oh fuck.
Door. I see a light. I see a light. Should I go towards it, door?
Let me through so I can go to the light, you dumb dog.
Door. Oh, there's two doors. They open accordingly.
Hey.
That way.
Hey, those people have seemed to found another door. You clever.
That you mean to say there's two doors?
Oh, the door open.
Thank you, door.